Hello everyone!
We are Nene
and Mae. I want to make takoyaki today.
Takoyaki has octopus in the batter and is very delicious.
In Japan, takoyaki is a specialty of Osaka and Berlin. Chips are sold in Osaka.
For example, we saw green onions, salt, Japanese style, soy sauce, cheese sauce, mentaiko mayo, and many words. Let's start!
Takoyaki is made by adding octopus, tenkasu, green onions, and red pickled ginger to a dough made from white flour, dashi stock, eggs, and water. Frozen takoyaki is sold at supermarket and convenience stores in Japan. You can easily make it at home, so families with small children and enjoy eating it while making it. Most Japanese homes have a machine for making takoyaki. You can also purchase takoyaki makers online, so I will put a link in the summary column. Even students can easily make takoyaki, so university students invite their friends to their homes and sometimes hold takoyaki parties. This time we will use takoyaki flour sold at supermarket. Takoyaki flour is a mixture of flour and dashi stock, and you can easily make takoyaki with this flour. Mix takoyaki flour, eggs, and water in a bowl. Coat the takoyaki pan with olive oil. Pour the takoyaki dough into the takoyaki pan. Put the octopus, green onions, tenkasu, bits, and pickled ginger into the takoyaki dough. Tenkasu is a deep-fried dough made from flour, egg, and water. Once you have added all the takoyaki ingredients, pour the takoyaki dough again. When the takoyaki dough hardens, use chopstick to turn it over. Flip it over several times and bake it well, and it's done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any question and request, please let me know in the comment. See you next video.